My name is Issy Croker. I'm a food and travel photographer and I'm addicted to food. When I was doing English literature, I just knew that working at a desk wasn't for me. I got fixated on the idea that someone is a food photographer out there. I just started cooking so much food to practice shooting it myself. Got in touch with about 40 photographers. I didn't hear back from one of them. That was when I had to start on my own. If I've been drinking wine throughout the meal, I don't really want it with a pudding. When you're growing up, you only drink champagne on special occasions. It is definitely more casual than I think I gave it credit for when I was younger. There are a lot of decisions on how we can make sure that the person who's reading that recipe and is looking at it thinks that is what I want to make. We usually shoot about 10 recipes a day. As we go along and we put them up on the wall, it's very rewarding. I love working with and around food. I don't want to be anywhere else. I'm pretty happy with how it all happened.